What's up, YouTube? Back with another one here. As you can see, we're at Mount Hood ski bowl, hitting some chunky tech, some blown out dust. But what a view! What a view! Here we go. I think we're doing fireball into cannonball. Oh, I didn't even see you. Oh yeah, a little boost. I gotta lay off the brakes. Trail's flowing hot, flowing fast too. Oh yeah. Now we're smashing. Now we smashing, players. How it up? Long hole. Woo! Here we go. Oh man, that is just straight powder. That's protein powder.
I dropped my chain.
You did? Oh, pull it over. He's going Gwinny. Drop the chain. Did you clear your memory card and all that?
Yeah.
Oh, oh shit, get some pedals. Oh. Oh. Z-pad. Woo! Oh shit. Dude, I broke my zipper.
Sit down.
No, my pedal. I clipped the pedal.
Oh really?
Yeah. Trying to get speed going.
It probably took some of the hit down.
Yeah, I landed on it. Oh yeah, we go this way. Wrong way. Hey, Kiona. Dude, that's not dirt. That is not dirt, that's sand. That is straight sand right there now. Oh, here comes a jank. Oh yeah, jank it. That part's so fun. More than that, but that hurt. What up, YouTube? Back again. So through the magic of YouTube, this is going to be the second day, but it's actually a week later. Because that crash kind of took me out on the first part of the video. Kind of screwed the knee up. It was all swollen and couldn't really put a lot of pressure on it. So through this magical thing we call editing, this is continuation. 1 week later, ski bowl. Let's get it. There it is, Mount Hood. We're gonna take Ridge Trail down for the first time here. Ridge Trail, double black. See what it's all about. Oh yeah, fuck that noise. Whoa. All right, cannonball. Yeah, cannonball was dope. Whoa, that is like so tough. In this spot, you just blast maximum warp speed. In this one, I think, or that might be the woods. But all right, let's try it. See what it's all about. So all you can do is roll it. Oh, whoa. Roll it, I say. Hopefully you just put on your big boy pants. This is terrible. It's the worst place to stage pretty much I've ever done. Oh my God, dude. No way. There you go. Pick those lines. Pretty easy right there. I like following. It's way easier.
Nice.
Ooh, that was sketchy. Yeah. Ooh.
I was like, holy shit, what's this? It looks like you can just roll here.
Yeah. Oh, there's my nuts. Oh, that was my nuts. Oh, goddamn.
I bet.
Continue with a sore Johnson. Oh yeah, this is loose, dude. This is hella loose. Ooh, saved it. Saved it at the worst time. Tricky on these roots and rocks, but the guy in front of me is gone. Key memory now. Yeah, that was a slammage. Oh no, dude, send it three's closed. Yeah, I don't want to pedal on this thing. Oh, that's it. Yep, that's it. Slippy. Whoa. Fuck, that hurt. Yeah, that was that root. Told you. This place is from grip heaven to Crisco. All right, guys, that was it for the old ski bowl for this long extended weekend, if you want to call it. A little slippery up there, as you can tell, a few crashes. Excellent trails though, man. They were super fun, super tech. So until next time, you know, like and subscribe, and until next time, check that out. Ski bowl. What a badass time, man. Some raunchy trails. That double, whew, that orange trail was nuts. But there it is. That's it for the season here. Now we're just driving back. Top down, asshole out, baby. Asshole out. Girlfriend's got sunroof in her shit. And I'm talking about, motherfucker. Oh shit, 45, baby. 45 unless you're alive. I like it. Ooh, look at that. Epicness. Cutting corners in this motherfucker. Just playing. Alright, well, this is pretty much as legal as it gets. So I'll see you when I get back to the house and try to do a voiceover on this one. That was some pretty crazy shit, isn't it?